I'm the one who chatted you. You don't.
Yes, we are cheating me. You say hi. You find to other.
It's so hot.
Yes,
Can
it's
we go
very
inside?
hard.
Can we go inside?
Yes, I will go inside.
Ito po ang venue nila po.
Thank you, Dave.
Let's go to the inside because it's very hot.
Too hot.
Over here.
Let's go here.
Over here. I'm overwhelmed. Do you want to go to the inside?
Please.
Okay, let's go. Follow me, you. Follow me, you.
Go. Hello.
Yes.
It's so hot.
It's so hot now. We need your exhaust fan.
Huh?
Me? It's now you cut your hair. That's why you're
By
handsome.
here.
That is a new arrival.
New arrival.
Oh my God, we have a riptide in your, ano tawag nito? Air drum. Air drum, is we cutting your air drum?
Huh?
We are cutting your air drum?
Yes.
Oh my God, what the heck? Let's go to the aircon. I will take out the aircon. Or dine in.
Dive in.
Okay, let's go. How do you feel?
How do I feel?
Yes, right now.
I cut my ear yesterday,
Oh
so
my
I don't like.
God, what happened to your air drum? I told you.
It's not good.
It's not good.
The whole thing is.
Why? How what happened? We are catheter?
I went to.
Oh, really? Okay, let's go to the playing the. Okay, ma'am.
Oh.
We are basketball player right now. We have
Buksan mo may picture niyan.
using
Kahit
it
idol.
for the one-on-one basketball. You're right? The referee, Maring Camille.
That's so cute.
Why are you laughing? Can you open arms?
Open wide.
Smell good.
Ano amoy?
Amoy Ipeka Central. Let's go out and win.
Can we go eat?
What?
I'm kind of hungry.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Let's go to the eat all you can. Or you can go.
Eat all you can.
Eat all you can.
Eat till you can't.
Station.
I'm good. Lady dog.
Lady dog also.
The lady dog and the expired.
Are you hungry?
Yes.
I will eat you later. Why? Because you're hungry. Don't worry, I cannot eat you.
Nakalive na ako sa Viva Max. Ayaw yata lang.
Tanginan to si David. Oh, can you wave me? Because it's hot.
Sana all bar. You're not even talking.
I took it you. What is your question? David is hungry. You're hungry?
I will take nap.
Oh my God, you're comatose. Hungry now? Say hi to my...
Hello, hungry. What do you want me to say?
You say.
Alright guys, now we're at Pepper Lunch. We're about to eat.
Yes.
I'm really
Proper
hungry.
lunch.
Is this Filipino food?
Filipina.
I mean, Filipino call it a UN.
And it cooks in front of you? It cooks while you eat it?
This is a red rice cooker. Yellow rice. You eat yellow rice?
Yellow rice?
Yellow
I
rice.
don't know.
Now, the rice is yellow because it's having the butter.
Butter?
Yeah,
So it's white rice with butter?
Yes. We have scrambles like that. In the center is the pedigree.
Mix.
Yeah. Sapa.
Keep pepper rice.
Sabi niya.
Dati.
You like that?
Keep pepper rice.
Apat po ba?
Rice cooker.
Yes.
Plain rice.
Mix
You
it.
struggle.
Chicken sweet.
You shake it.
Yeah,
Shake.
Yes, very good.
Wow.
Two. No signal.
Signal?
Yeah, next question please.
Beef ini. Manok ba yung ulo niya? Mga manok ba yung
I can't read that clock.
Wow. How many your siblings?
One brother.
One brother? Two. Two by two. Two by two brother. Oh my God. Please do this. You eat all alone? You're full? I don't know how to use like that.
Can I help you?
Diyos ko Lord, may garapata is not garlic. It's a garapata, it's not food. You chopstick my garapata?
Yeah, help you.
No.
Mapunta na dito sila, ma'am.
You know, I don't know how to use
So what time you
chopstick.
gonna go back at home?
Today?
Now. I mean, today.
Whenever you.
Because we have a lot of, there's a lot of supporters. So what they would like to meet you.
Yeah, we can.
I can wait.